What's up, guys? Welcome back to Trash Film Home Video, and today we are going to do just a quick little kind of first look unboxing of Arrow Video's new 4K release, limited edition of Bird with the Crystal Plumage. This is one of my favorite Argento movies. I just think it's got a hell of a lot of style. And of course, anything early Argento is probably going to benefit pretty well from the 4K treatment. So let's and I did not go with the limited edition because I didn't actually like that artwork any better. I don't know, it just wasn't for me. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. I don't keep, I know some people keep the HDR stickers. I don't, but this I do. Oh my, look at that. That's just what happened to the, oh man. Look at that. Look what just happened. That sucks. I guess it's my fault, but it's fine. I'll figure something out. That's a bummer. Damn. That's never happened to me before on any of these. Anyway, I'll figure it out. I'll fix it. I'm not too much of a... I mean, it's a bummer, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. Okay. So, let's... So, for anyone out there that is going to take this apart, do it carefully, because if you don't, it's going to rip your box. So anyway... I guess it's good that I did this. So here, let's look at the contents. So we've got the 4K disc there, and Bloodhound. We've got some postcards. Let's see what's on the back. Okay, that's on the back. And, oh. It's a nice one. All right. Some nice postcards. Let's see what the alternate artwork is. We've got that. Oh, I like that. Actually would have preferred that to be the artwork on the actual disc, or on the front, but all right. We got that lined up. Okay. So there's the alternate artwork, which I actually like a lot better. Yeah. Okay. So, postcards done. Oh, wait. I'm going to put that back in. And what else? We've got our poster, which on one side has that. Oh, I'm kind of glad that this poster art is different than what is in the on the opposite side of the cover. That's cool. So we get 3 versions of the poster art. And then we got the booklet here. So, really nice package. This is pretty standard now for, this one's got more of a flimsy cover than, oh, it's got more of a flimsy cover than like the Donnie Darko one. Okay, well, that is first look at the Arrow video. Bird with the crystal plumage, 4K. 4K Blu-ray. Obviously, I am not good at talking and doing something at the same time. 4K Blu-ray. Wait, no. No, it's just the 4K. It's just a single disc. So you do not get a Blu-ray with this. All right, well, I am off to figure out how to fix that. I guess some form of glue, because I really don't want to send it back because I fucked up. So, but all in all, it is a nice package. I'm pretty excited to check this out and see what the transfer looks like. This is a very papery kind of, I guess it's going along with the style. It kind of feels almost like an old textbook. It honestly kind of feels a little cheap. I'm not trying to blame this on them, even though, I mean, I guess, I don't know. But there it is. Bird with the Crystal Plumage 4K from Arrow Video, limited edition. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.